Hi everyone and welcome back to the CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 19, we'll introduce the functions for measuring rectangle and polygon arc area. Alright, first thing first, open your drawing in CADReader. Before we start measuring, it's important to set the scale so that all your area measurements come out accurately. Don't skip it, it makes a big difference. Let's start with rectangles. Click Measure, then choose Rectangle Area. Select two opposite corners of the rectangle. Left click to choose where you want the measurement to appear on your drawing. And just like that, you've got the rectangle's area measured and displayed. Super simple. Now, let's look at the shapes that include curved lines. Click Measure, then Polygon Arc Area. Start by selecting the line. You click the two endpoints, then hover over the curved section. When your cursor turns into a little square, that means you can select the curve. Go ahead and click it. If you make a mistake while selecting points, just press the space bar to go back and reselect. When you reach the last point, right-click and CADReader will automatically choose the shape for you and complete the measurement. It's a really handy way to measure more complex areas accurately. When you're done, you can export the drawing with all your annotations included. Simply go to Open, Export, and your file will be ready to view or share on any device, phone, iPad, or laptop. You can also send it directly to colleagues or friends. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.